Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we are going to be looking at Durable versus WordPress, the ultimate showdown in 2024. Let's get started. Now, choosing the right website platform is a daunting task, especially with so many options available. Durable and WordPress are both popular choices, but which one is the best fit for your needs? You see, making the wrong decision can lead to wasted time and resources, so we need to be answered that question, which is the best fit for your needs. In this ultimate 2024 showdown, we're going to break down the key differences in Durable and WordPress, helping you make a good decision that sets your website up for success. Let's start with an overview. This is Durable. So to provide the most accurate and helpful comparison, we've spent considerable time testing both Durable and WordPress. We built multiple websites on each platform, experimented with their features, and evaluated their overall performance. Our hands-on experience led us to this in-depth, unbiased comparison to help you make the right choice for your website. Let's start from Durable. If you are interested in a website that practically builds itself, give Durable AI a try and see the magic of AI in action. It gets a 9.0 out of 10 stars from us. For pricing, it has a free feature or free plan with limited features, and when you use the pro plan it starts from $15 per month. Now, what are the key features? Well, the key features: you have a 30-second website generator, we have all-powered marketing tool, and built-in SEO. You can see all the features here. You can send invoices and get paid faster. AI brand building, you can build your brand identity in seconds. AI blog builder, you can create a blog with dozens of posts using AI and build a business website in just seconds. So you can see there. Now let's look at that of WordPress. This is WordPress. Let's look at WordPress. So we have this is WordPress. I want the official one. This is WordPress. Let's look at its own features. WordPress hosting for agencies, domain names, website builder, create a blog, newsletter, professional email, website design services, commerce, and all. So let's look at WordPress. WordPress is, if you're ready to take full control and do fun things with your website, then explore WordPress today and unlock endless possibilities. Unlike Durable that practically builds itself, WordPress you have full control over it, and you can do fun things with your website. Now let's look at the pricing. For free, where you do it yourself, is free, but you can also start at $4 per month. Let's look at it here. It's a plan for everyone. So this is the personal, like I said, $4 per month, and then you have premium, you have business. These are everything. But then you have commerce, you have enterprise. These are everything you're going to enjoy under WordPress. They're under Durable. Let's look at the pricing too of Durable. So you can pick the right thing for you: daily billing, monthly billing. So it starts at $12. As you can see, features that you will love over here. We have the next one of $20, $80, all those, and I think those are the only 3 plans we have here under Durable. Now let's look at the key features. Okay, I've already mentioned the key features. And by the way, WordPress gets an 8 from us out of 10. Now let's start with Durable AI. Let's go in depth into it. Now, picture Durable AI as a website builder that does the heavy lifting for you. It does the heavy lifting for you. Now, that's just Durable AI in a nutshell. It uses artificial intelligence to whip up a complete website in seconds, complete with images and copy that are actually relevant to your business. You can start for free by clicking start for free here to start for free. So it has some key benefits like speed. You can get a fully functional website in 30 seconds, not days, not weeks, in 30 seconds. And it allows you to edit, tweak, and personalize your heart's content. It has AI powered content, so you can say goodbye to right to what we call writer's block, because we have AI generated blog posts, art, and social media content. So it has a built-in SEO, so your site is optimized for search engines right out of the gate. So what else does it have? You can also, so when we talk about the price, let's go to the pros. The pros is that it's extremely fast and easy. It has the AI generated content, which is surprisingly good, and you don't have to worry about SEO because it's taken care of right off. What are the cons? The design options are limited. The free plan has some restrictions and it might be too basic for complex website building. Now let's look at WordPress. So for WordPress, it's a big guy in the website world. It's been around for ages. Powering a ton of sites probably visit every day. It's very flexible and can be whatever you want it to be. A blog, a portfolio, an online store, you name it. So you can build your dream website effortlessly with WordPress. You start your free trial to see how much WordPress is capable of by clicking on get started, and then you go through that. So moving on, what are the key benefits? We've already mentioned some of them before, but let me summarize them again. Endless possibilities because you have thousands of themes and plugins to customize your site. It has community powerhouse because it has a massive community for support and resources. SEO friendly, it has built-in features and plugins for better search engine visibility. It is scalable, it grows with your website as your needs grow. It's open source, so it is free to use and modify. We talk about the pricing. You have the free way, it's 100% free to download and use it. If you want to pay for it from $4 and above for domains for 1 year and the basic features and the rest of them. So let's move on to the pros for WordPress. It can give you control and flexibility. Yes, the community is huge, so help is always available, and there's a plugin for everything. What are the cons? It can be overwhelming for beginners. Yes, it requires more technical know-how than some website builders, and the security can be a big concern if not properly managed. So we've checked it, we've looked at everything one after the other, and we decided to look at some features to compare them again. So the features: 1, AI website building. We look at the AI website building aspect and realize that for Durable, it uses AI to generate a professional looking website with just a few clicks. No coding or web development experience is required, so it's a game changer for beginners who want to create their own website quickly. While for WordPress, it's not AI powered web builder. It's not an AI powered website builder. However, it has some plugins that offer AI features to streamline your website creation process, and it also requires technical knowledge, so it's not as user friendly as Durable. Let's look at the second aspect, which is the website creation process. We checked it out for both of them, for Durable and WordPress, and it's what we found out. For Durable, the AI website builder takes care of everything from design to layout to content generation. You can have a website up and running in minutes, not days or weeks. But for WordPress, it requires more time and effort because you need to choose a choose a theme, install plugins, create content manually. So it might be a better option for those who want complete control over every aspect of their website, not for those who want a website to be up and running in minutes. Then we also checked the ease of use for both of them and found that for Durable, beginners and non-technical users love Durable's simplicity. The intuitive interface and AI guidance make building a website a breeze for beginners especially. While for WordPress, the learning curve is steeper and it might be overwhelming for those who are not familiar with web development. However, once you get the hang of it, you can achieve a great level of customization. Then we look at this customization option factor to see and compare both. And what we found was that for Durable, it offers a decent level of customization, but it's not as extensive as WordPress. You can choose from any kinds of templates and customize colors, fonts, and images, but like I said, it's not as extensive as WordPress. While for WordPress, the platform is all about flexibility. So it has so many themes and plugins, you can build almost every kind of website you can imagine. Let's look at the advanced features. Advanced features for Durable. It focuses on essential features that help you create a functional website quickly. It includes tools for SEO optimization, blogging, and e-commerce. While for WordPress, it offers a broader range of advanced features, including membership sites, forums, and more complex e-commerce solutions. So it's a better choice if you need specific functionalities. The other pricing, we check Durable. Durable's paid plans are available to access more advanced features and a custom domain name. While for WordPress, the software itself is free, but you need to pay for web hosting and a domain name. Premium plugins and themes can also add to the costs. They will check the overall suitability and found that Durable is ideal for beginners and non-technical users who want to build a pro website quickly and easily, while WordPress is perfect for those who want full control over their website and are comfortable with web development. So what should you consider when choosing a website builder? Between Durable and WordPress, what should you consider? 1. Consider the support. Consider SEO capabilities. Consider e-commerce, mobile responsiveness, plugin features. So what's the final verdict for me? Okay, for most users, I would say Durable has emerged as the clear winner because it's an AI-generated website builder that makes the process of creating a professional-looking website incredibly easy and fast, especially for online stores. However, if you're tech-savvy, you love customization, and you have time to invest, then choose WordPress website because it's the best fit for you. So ultimately, the best choice really depends on your needs and your priorities. But remember, we've tested both platforms extensively, so you can trust our verdict to guide you towards the best website builder for your next project. So like we said, choose Durable if you want professional-looking websites, incredibly fast and easy. But if you are tech savvy and you want to be able to have full control over it, then choose the WordPress website builder. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.